In this video, I'll guide you through how to log in to the Etrade website. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, accessing your Etrade account quickly and securely is essential. So, let's dive right in and get you logged in without any hassle. First, open your web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice, they all work just fine. Now, head over to the official Etrade website. You can do this by typing the URL directly into the address bar, which ensures you're visiting the correct site and not a phishing page. Once the Etrade homepage loads, you should see the Log On or Sign In button located prominently at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on this button, and it will take you to the login page. Now, you'll see two fields that you need to fill out. In the first field, enter your user ID. This is the unique identifier you set up when you first registered for your Etrade account. Double-check to ensure there are no typos, as this is crucial for accessing your account. Next, move to the second field and enter your password. Make sure you enter it exactly as you set it, taking care of any uppercase or lowercase letters. It's always a good practice to review your login details before proceeding, just to make sure everything is in order. If you're using a personal device, like your home computer or personal smartphone, you have the option to save your login information. This can be a real time saver for the next time you log in, but do make sure this is a secure and private device before selecting this option. Once everything looks good, click on the Log On button. If all the information you've entered is correct, you will be taken directly to your Etrade account dashboard, where you can manage your investments and perform transactions. In the event that you forget either your password or user ID, don't worry. Etrade provides an easy way to recover your account. Simply click on the Forgot Password or Forgot User ID link and follow the prompts to regain access to your account. And there you have it. That's how you log in to the Etrade website. Remember, keeping your login details secure and private is essential in protecting your investments. Thanks for watching and happy trading.